What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel Car Lab Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the beast that is the 2025 BMW XM. This isn't just another SUV. It's BMW's first standalone product since the M1, a statement on wheels. Asterisk first. The exterior, love it or hate it, it demands attention. The sheer presence is undeniable, with those massive kidney grills, aggressive lines, and unique stacked quad exhaust tips. You'll spot the laser-etched roundels on the rear glass, a nod to the M1, and those huge 23-inch wheels complete the polarizing yet undeniably striking look. It's bold, it's unconventional, and it truly stands out. Asterisk step inside, and it's a different story of pure luxury and cutting-edge tech. The interior of the XM is richly adorned, spacious, and undeniably high-end. You're greeted by a curved dashboard display running the latest iDrive 8.5, offering seamless infotainment and navigation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, of course. The M merino leather upholstery, available in striking color combinations, elevates the cabin, and even the rear seats get plush throw pillows, a touch of unexpected indulgence. The geometric patterned faux suede headliner with fiber optic lighting is a unique touch, and the optional Bowers and Wilkins Diamond surround sound system is simply incredible. Asterisk now for performance. This is where the XM truly flexes its muscles. Under the hood lies a plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor. The base XM delivers a combined 644 horsepower and 590 pounds-ft of torque, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.1 seconds. Opt for the XM label, and those numbers jump to a staggering 738 horsepower and 738 pounds-ft of torque, dropping the 0 to 60 time to just 3.6 seconds. This is a heavy SUV weighing over 6,000 pounds, but it handles with surprising agility thanks to the adaptive M suspension professional and MX Drive all-wheel drive. You also get around 30 miles of pure electric range for silent city cruising. Asterisk as for pricing. The 2025 BMW XM starts around $161,675, with the top-tier XM label red coming in at approximately $187,875. It's a significant investment, but you're getting a truly unique blend of performance, luxury, and audacious design. The XM isn't for everyone, but for those who want a powerful, luxurious, and undeniably distinctive SUV, it absolutely delivers. Asterisk.